Hi, my name is Ashley Caldwell. I'm an Olympic gold medalist in the sport of freestyle skiing. I've competed in 4 Olympic Games, I've won world championships, and currently have a world record. It's for the hardest acrobatic trick ever done by a woman, which is 4 twists and 3 backflips on skis.
And that's pretty sweet.
As an Olympic freestyle skier here in Park City, Utah, in the summertime we're training at the Utah Olympic Park, jumping into the freestyle pool, perfecting our tricks, climbing a lot of stairs, doing a lot of backflips, there's a lot of compression and intensity on the body, and then doing a ton of strength and conditioning work afterwards. In the winter season, we're obviously on snow a lot, which are cold, intense, hard impact days. So coming here and being able to jump in my spa afterwards to do recovery is just an excellent cap to my day of recovery. I really believe that recovery is just as important as training, so making sure that I'm able to recover the best possible way is a reason why I looked into getting a spa in the first place. When I started working with Take a Break, I knew that they were obviously the best company to work for. They were super patient with me as I was figuring out what was the best spa for me to have, with price point, with all the extra features that would be perfect for me as an athlete and using this for recovery purposes.